Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now I'll mention that this process allows you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, but unfortunately this will also mean that your device becomes FRP locked. And just to explain what that is, when the process is finished, meaning the reset of your tablet, and you're going through the setup process, one of the pages you'll be stopped and the device will force you to verify the previously used protection. So one of them would be a screen lock, the other one would be Google or Samsung account. Now typically I would have a guide on how you can bypass this without actually needing to provide anything, but at the moment of recording this, I have no way of bypassing this, or none that I know of. So unfortunately, I just want you to know this. If you do this without knowing your Google/Samsung account, the device becomes locked and therefore kind of unusable unless you know your pattern or Google/Samsung account. Now chances are in the future there might be a way to bypass this. I have no way of knowing that, obviously, it's future. So at the current time of recording this, I have nothing to bypass this, so just be aware. Now anyway, to get started. Now I'm gonna get started from the lock screen, though I don't have a lock set, but I will still go about it as though I would. So for the people that have a lock screen that they just don't know, what you will need to do is hold power key and volume down to forcibly reboot the device, because if you have a screen lock and you try to turn it off this typical way by just selecting the power button and selecting power off, or just holding the power and I believe volume down, whichever the combo is, it will tell you to draw the pattern, which you can just circumvent by holding power key and volume down for like 10 seconds and it force reboots the device. Now apart from that, we also need a cable so we can boot into recovery mode. Now the cable needs to be plugged into your computer, so I'm gonna do so right now. There you go. It's connected to our device. And it just connected. Okay, so now lock the device. I'm gonna shift it to in this kind of way. So you can see the volume button is right over here. So I'm gonna hold power key and volume down, like I mentioned. Now for the people that are doing this, you do want to interact with your display because it will time out before the tablet turns off. So just touch the display. Once it turns off, switch to volume up. So power button and volume up. When you see Galaxy logo, let go of the power. And we are now in the recovery mode. So from here we can unplug the device. And then using volume buttons to navigate through this menu right here, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with power button, then select Factory Data Reset the same way. And from there, you will see at the bottom, Data Wipe Complete. And Reboot System Now should be then selected by default, so press power button once again, and this will initiate a reboot. Now, because we just factory resetted the device, it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up, just because it's continuing the reset of itself in the background. So give it like a minute, 2 minutes to finish that up, and once it's completed, you'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.